Hello, I am Suwarkka Yogeswaran. I am a graduate from University of Ruhuna with BSc Honours in Green Technology. Currently, I am doing my MSc at PGIA. I am reading MSc in Environmental Forestry, and also currently I am working as a demonstrator in the Department of Bioscience, University of Vavuniya. So this day was very wonderful and excellent. We have spent the whole day at FabLab Makandura on the workshop with the title of Applying Systems Thinking to the Industry 4.0. Actually, according to my perspectives, most of the projects are somewhat failed because of not thinking about the wholesomeness. So in this workshop we have learned so many aspects related to how to link the multidisciplinary things with respect to a new project. So it was very useful for us, especially the young professionals.
Thank you very much.